Hi, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the rear differential on Honda Pioneer 1005. I'm going to do the rear differential only. The front one wasn't too bad as I looked at it a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to just do my rear one. It hasn't been changed in a while, like 800 miles. It's got 1,750 miles on it, so I like keeping it up to date. I'm going to show you guys where all the stuff is at. First, you're going to need 17, don't matter, deep well, shallow well socket. And you'll need a 10 millimeter. And the first place for it is 17. Let's see. It's right here. Right here is just wet. That's where you fill your differential fluid. Now your number 10 is way. I got my catch pan here. It's right. It's right here. It's about a foot back from your 2-inch receiver hitch. So I'll get this started here. First off, not sure if I'm gonna need the extension. I did have an extension just in case, but I wasn't quite sure if I'm gonna need it. I don't think I'll need it for the front. I know the back. I don't know if I need it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And that came up pretty easy. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it does. I'm gonna crack. Always make sure, I know it's loose, but always make sure your number 17, your fill plug, you can open that up. Sometimes you get a lot of dirt. And if you haven't never changed it before, it is a pain. So just make sure that that's loose. So then we'll go back underneath and drain the number 10 with a drain plug. Now there's a washer on there. Just make sure you don't lose that washer. There's a lock nut on it, a lock nut washer on the drain plug. It did not come out with this, so it's probably up in there yet. It's not too bad. I'll show you guys. Get a rag here. It ain't too bad. It is a little white for about 900 miles. But I don't think it ain't too bad. I don't go through water at all with it, so it's probably just the moisture from the vents. I'll let that drain a while, then I'll come back and show you guys how to fill it. So what I do now is I tighten up the drain plug. Get a little oofta, not too tight. And then start filling it up. I almost forgot something. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, in order to fill this back up, you're going to have to get it's called a quart fluid pump. What you do is just put this, that's all it is, just a little hand pump. And this thing comes apart with a straw. So what you do is get your, what I'm using is Valvoline High Performance 8090. That's what they recommend. A high performance gear oil, 8090 weight. This takes about 15 ounces. This threads right in there. You don't need that. So you just stick it in the hole. Fill a hole. Good. Right there is good. The hole's right here. Just pump it slow until she's full. You don't want it to pump too fast, otherwise it'll go all over the place and you won't get an accurate reading. When she's full, and when she starts coming over the top, you kind of want to wait a minute or two so the gear oil drains down through all the gears. You may think it's full, but it's not. All this process takes about 15 minutes. And the 15 minutes is on the front as well. I'm doing this because we are going on our annual stampede hunt in about 2 months. We were going to go do our annual camping trip in middle of August, end of August, like we usually do up on up by Rock Dam, but after I've been reading all the comments and everything, we decided we're not going to do that. There's way too many hot dogs out there that are coming into other lanes of traffic. Everyone's blaming everybody else. I wish they would have like a speed limit like they do with snowmobiles during daytime. But so it's getting full, it's starting to come over the top. So I go slow. So this takes about 15 ounces or so. I got not quite 15 in here. Step to come over. So what I did is I'm just slowly putting it in, letting it all drain down. I don't have quite I got about 12 in there right now, so I got 3 more ounces to go, but it's gonna take a while. Go slow at a time. It will start to come out. So what I've been doing is a couple minutes, wait for it to drain down in there. I'll take another look inside. Don't look too bad, but I'm just letting it drain down slowly. I would rather have it full than thinking it was full and it wasn't, and something really bad happens when we're out on the trail. I am going to be running this before we do go out on the trail in 2 months. I think it's the 8th of September is the I forget what it's called, the scavenger hunt stampede it's called, in St. Germain. Had a good time there last year. We're gonna make that our annual, pretty much our annual last hurrah. So anyways, I'll wait for the drain and stuff. If you guys have any questions or whatever, you can let me know. Leave a comment on the bottom, whatever. I'm not going to do, like I said, I'm not going to do the front because I already did it. So I'll talk to you guys later on.